In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the software advantages eMIMO1616 has. The setup and control of the eMIMO1616 is found on the embedded web application, which comes along with the purchase of the unit. This user interface can be handled from any standard web browser running on any device, whether it's a PC, Windows, a iOS, a smartphone, or a tablet. Accessing to the web app, you only need to type in your favorite browser the IP address from the eMIMO1616. You are ready to configure and manage the device. There is two different permission levels. Administrator level, with access to manage all functions of the eMIMO1616 unit, create users, and control panels. Users levels with limited access. For example, set up the volume of a given output. The setting up. The first page of the web's configuration window. Here you can see and modify the device name and the network configuration, the device status, project data, and boot up mode. Users. The users page makes it possible to create the accounts from the different users. The administrator gives the user a credential. In the upper right corner, the administrator can change his password as well. Front panel. On the front panel page, you can set up blocking certain functions on the front panel of avoiding undue manipulation. Also, this page makes it possible to adjust the parameters and functions of the LCD screen. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a global panel block. On the inputs page, set up the audio sources. To select an input, click on the central key. You can select one, several, holding the click button a few seconds, or all the input at once, in the upper right corner of the screen. The web app allows you to see the source of the input level, and modify parameters like tone control, volume, mute, and phase. Also, the local input 5 to local input 8, both inclusive, incorporate active functions indicators, hyperfilter, and gate. Outputs. The graphic interface and the functioning are identical to that on the input pages, with the possibility of pair outputs in stereo, activate or deactivate a mute external dry, and the panic button located at the top of the page, which silence all the output channels. Pagers and Dockers. On the Pagers Dockers, up to 4 priority modules can be activated, 2 being only in Dockers mode, and the other 2 in pager mode. Pilot panels. On the pilot panels page, the administrator sets up the control panels that the users will handle using external devices, running the eMIMO application, available in iOS and Android as well. Up to 32 pilot channels can be created, each one of them with its own setup. Thanks for watching. For more info, visit us at ECLER.com.